Trading in the London session on the 9th of December 2019. Let's get straight over to the charts. Please remember to hit subscribe, and if you hit the bell you'll get the notification as and when I post new videos. Okay, back to show you this one trade I've taken. Time is 7:41. A few minutes ago I actually took this, got in at 97 as price came through one of our entry points. Just very small amount of profit showing on that at the moment. Pulled back into the entry point, managed to jump on board that and looking for further upside movement. Got my take profit up at the 20 level right now, and that's it. Just that one trade I'm holding at the moment. Seeing a few other entry points getting very close, but we'll just have to see what happens. I've got some pending orders placed, so I'll be back in a little while to let you know how this trade does and if I manage to get in on any other trades. Back soon. I just had an order hit on this pound US dollar. Taken this long as price has pulled back there, and I'm just going to got my stop loss in at 10 pips, and I'm just going to take profit in at just around about that 0.0 mark. So looking for this price to bounce off of this area, this previous day's high, and move up through that 80 up towards that 0.0. The only other trade that I'm holding right now is the pound Japanese yen, seeing that pull back too. And again, looking for that to pull back into that 0.0, through that 0.0 up to that 20 where I've got my take profit. That's it, just two trades. I'll pause for now, back soon. Back again as I'm seeing two more orders hit. The Australian dollar, US dollar, just seeing this price just touch that entry point that I've got there. Looking for this to push down through that 20 and set the take profit on this. Price stop's already in place. Set that down at the 80 level, so that's the Australian dollar US dollar, got in this at 29, and the Australian dollar Japanese yen, taken this short at 14, and already have my take profit down there just above that 80 level and a 12 pip stop loss on this. So that's it, 4 trades I'm holding right now, and let's see how those pounds are doing. Bit of a pullback, but they're starting to bounce off of those levels now, so they're not looking too bad at the moment. Okay, I'll pause the video again and I'll be back with you in a little while. Back with you. We're starting to see some Japanese yen strength come into play across the board. That pound Japanese yen trade that I took a full stop on that as price pulled back on this candle, losing me 12 pips. So currently down 12 pips at the moment. Just marking that in my journal. Pound US dollar being dragged down by that pound Japanese yen at the moment, so we'll see how that does. Australian dollar US dollar, seeing that starting to move into a little bit more profit. Australian dollar Japanese yen, because of that, we're seeing the weakness on the Australian dollar very slightly, but it's that Japanese yen strength that's looking quite interesting at the moment. US dollar Japanese yen, price has just hit my order that I have placed there, and looking for that price to push through that 50 level down towards the 20 where I've got my take profit. So that's where I am right now. 4 open positions, just taking one stop, minus 12 pips, and I'll pause the video again and be back with you in a little while. Back again with one more position being taken. The order was hit on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, got in at 85 short, looking for this to come through that previous day's low and through the 80 and down towards the 50 where I've got my take profit. Okay, I've got one more pending order. I'm holding 5 trades at the moment. I've got one more pending order open, and just wait and see if that takes, because I don't really like holding more than 6 trades. So if that one takes, that'll be me for a little while, just monitoring what's going on, seeing how the price moves on those 6. But okay, that's it. I'll pause. In fact, no, let's just do a quick run through and see where we are. Pound US dollar, seeing that pulling back deep again, not looking too good really, is it? The pound Japanese yen's pulling that down, seeing that weakness in the pound pulling that GU down. So I'm fully expecting that to hit the stop loss any moment now. Australian dollar US dollar, that's coming down quite nicely through that previous day's low down towards that 20 level. Australian dollar Japanese yen, seeing that weakness in the Australian dollar carried across there, plus we were seeing some strength in the Japanese yen, seeing that coming down, approaching that 0.0. US dollar Japanese yen, price is hovering there, it's just hanging around the entry level where I got in. And that last trade that I've just taken, Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Okay, pause again and be back with you soon. So back with you just to show that I'm out of all those trades now. The time is 29 minutes past 9 in London, and saw some profit, managed to dig out of that small hole that I was in and get back into profit. So I'll quickly flick through these just to show you the positions that I'd had and where I got out on these last 4 trades. You can see where I got in as price came through entry criteria, and the little yellow marker there shows where I actually punched out. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, a bit more profit on that one there. You can see where I got in, and again yellow marker shows where I punched out. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, seen this move down again, another entry point there, yellow marker shows where I punched out. And US dollar, Japanese yen, another entry point there and where I punched out there. So here's a quick summary of London session trading. And while I think about it, if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, there's some links in the description below this video, and you can link onto those and find out all the information that you need. Quickly through these winning trades, you can see US dollar, Japanese yen 12, Australian dollar, Japanese yen 15, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen 10, Australian dollar, US dollar plus 5. And these are the losing trades here, 12, 10, 2 and 3, giving me a net total of 15 pips. Nothing fantastic, but still, the thing is, you have to accept these days when you haven't got a great deal showing on the balance sheet. But the thing is, we never know. You just have to show up and do the same thing over and over again. And when we get those big moving days, we're there ready for them. That's it. I'll shut down and I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching.